out here with my beloved, my 95 Dodge Avenger. And as you can see here, the taillight here is busted up, kind of like I have been my whole life. But I'm gonna fix it today. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here with the blue machine. Sometimes I feel blue, but one of the things you might be able to see here is we've got some pieces missing. Now, I saw this when I bought it, and it looks like it backed into something. Something caught it right here, and it's actually pretty lucky where it caught it because it looks like it shattered the lens here and kind of pushed some of it down, and it's kind of pushing this bumper down, but it's really not that bad right here. It didn't even really remove paint so much. I can clean that up, I think, a little bit, but I got really lucky there, because that could have easily done some real damage there that would have required body work. But I do want to get this fixed. One, because it looks a fright. It looks atrocious. Probably like waking up to Greta Thunberg or something like that. But a light is usually pretty easy to replace, and on these domestic imported Japanese car, and especially when they're cheap, usually isn't that big of a problem. And finding these lights, I actually thought was going to be a big problem, but thanks to eBay, there were actually quite a bit of them. And this one is a little rough, but the area up here where it's scratched most, I think is going to be covered by the spoiler, but the rest of it looks just about fine. Looks like a pretty good match there. And there are only 4 posts here that have screws on them, basically nuts on them. And it looks like just peeling away this piece here, I'm going to be able to get them out. Now, the hardest part is probably going to be this thing. It has a little grommet. You might be able to see it there. And it is wedged into this hole, and you're going to have to snake that out. So that's probably the hardest part of the whole thing, which if that's the hardest part, that's not that big of a deal, I think. So hopefully that is it. This piece looks like it's just like a compression fitting in here. I don't know what that is, but it's wiggly, a latex plaything in there. So I'm going to remove these. Hopefully this will just slide right out, and I can slide that guy right back in there, and we will be done with this mess. Got out the little socket wrench here, and these are 10mm nuts on here, which is great because those industrious little Japanese fellows, they all stick to the metric system. I love it. Thank you, guys. And now if you have those little nylon pry bars, it's probably a good place for it, but I'm just gonna pull it out. Oh, look at that. So dirty. You're so dirty. Oh, yeah. All right, that comes out just like that. And this little rubber cap, I guess I'm just going to transplant onto the new one. I think I just pull it off. I think it unscrews. And actually, looks like I could just pull out these bulbs here because the wiring harness just goes to the bulbs as far as I can tell over here. So that's going to make it a little easier. All right. I noticed that the little rubber gaskets that were on my original are missing from my used broken piece. So I just transplanted them. They're not in great shape, but if you have little O-rings or something, that'll probably help seal them up a little bit better. Or if you have some rubber material, you could just cut them out too. This is that compression fitting, and I'm just going to push it in there because I think it just slides in there, and then when this post goes in there, it kind of splays that out and holds it in as well. I have just used the same wiring harness right there, and now I'm just going to push this all back in here. So far, this has been the easiest job ever. Famous last words. So let's get it in and see if it works. Oh yeah, baby. Needs to be cleaned up just like me, but got a new to me light in there, and that was probably the easiest repair I've ever done on any car. So it's just kind of nice to be surprised sometimes when things are a little easier. So I'll take it. Hey, if you want to replace the taillight in your Dodge Avenger, I'll put a link to this in the description below, but that's going to be the 2 of you out there. So I'll put a link to some other awesome automotive stuff in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.